Good morning, YouTube, or whatever time of day it may be. This video is designed to be an introduction to this car, my 2020 Mustang GTCS. This video will indeed be a short one, but I will be showing you the interior and all the specific features that I got with this package. All right, before we get into the interior, we'll give you a little cold start. Guys, so hopefully you guys can hear me. So as I said, I did get Mustang GTCS, which stands for California Special, if you guys didn't know. Some custom badging up here. Can't really see it, but you know, it's up there. Now, when I was looking for Mustangs, I said the one thing I have to have is the 418 package with a digital dash. It just adds to the whole aesthetic of the car. Now we got our different drive modes over here. Sport Plus, Track, Drag, Snow, and then we got our normal mode right here. Now this car does not have the active exhaust, but the reason why it's so loud, it's because I don't even have cats on this car. So yeah, it gets really loud, especially on the days where I don't drive it and I'm driving my other car. That cold start in the morning is crispy. One specific thing that I love about this car is the heated and cooling seats, especially the cooling seats. Now, for a Mustang, the seats are actually pretty comfortable, and it's a little scary how comfortable these seats are. I could see why people take the seats out for, you know, weight reduction or just overall comfort, but you know, I think the stock seats are pretty comfortable, especially when you put on this cooling seat. I also have the memory seats where I can set my memory seat. So if I click, say 1, it'll move me to whatever setting I had. Go back to 3, put me in whatever setting I have for 3, and then the same with 1. It's pretty cool in my opinion. Well, me specifically, I'm coming from a Honda Accord, so we didn't really have all of these cool features. We got Bluetooth and CarPlay, Android Auto. Got your climate. You can also, you know, make phone calls on this thing. Audio. That's the song that's playing right now. Also got navigation, but every time I use navigation, I don't really use it. I just use the Apple CarPlay whenever it decides to work. I do have the 10-speed automatic transmission. And I know what you're going to say. You bought a Mustang GT and an automatic? Hey, listen, I don't know how to drive manual. If I was going to get a manual Mustang, it would be the GT350, and I'll have to learn manual. So, you know, the 10 speeds are keen. 10 R80s against the world. That's what they say. The last thing we'll touch up on the interior wise is the back seats, which I have none. Those are my 360 camera mount, book bag, some shoes or whatever. No seats at all. And honestly, it's not bad. The sound quality is not bad. You would think, like, if you take out the back seats and you have a loud exhaust, like you'll hear a lot of rattling or the sound quality just goes down. It's not that bad, honestly. If you have I think it's 2015 Mustang and up, take out your back seats. It saves about like 50 pounds, especially if you're trying to go to the track or the drag strip. It saves a couple pounds along with this seat right here. But you know, I have passengers in my car sometimes, so there's no reason for me to take that out just yet. But you know, the rear seat delete, they also have kits on the internet for it. I just, you know, felt like there's no point in spending money for a rear seat delete if I could just take them out, you know. All right, guys, that concludes the video. You know, I said it was going to be a short one, but more content on the way. Make sure you guys stay tuned, and God bless.